basically, it's do or die. It's either transform or you're gone. Now everyone gets it. So ये जो, what we see around us, unicorns and unicorns, every day you open the paper, somebody is $1 billion or almost $1 billion or many $1 billion. So what they have done is they've taken the same old business. Every business buys something and sells something. So whatever they were buying in a bank, you're buying money and selling money. An insurance company buys risk and sells risk. A manufacturing company, you buy components, integrate, and then you sell. And look at the value of a digital transformed company like Tesla. Okay, the valuation is sky high, $1 trillion. $1 trillion for a company. It's amazing. Rivian got listed at almost $100 billion, more than GM and Toyota and everybody combined. Now, they're doing the same thing. They're making a car which will take you from point A to point B. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेके जाएंगे आपको, वही गाड़ी बना रहे हैं. ठीक है, $1 million का टर्नओवर, a few $1 million turnover for Rivian, and look at the valuation. So I think first of all there is no option for everyone but to digitally transform rapidly, and it starts off with people like us. हम लोग अपने business में, I don't know how many partners and system integrators we deployed ERP some 15 years ago. First step in a digital transformation. आपका कंट्रोल तो होना चाहिए. दुकान में फादर खुद बैठता है, बेटा बैठता है, चला रहे. You move from that to the system controlling. So building systems is the first step. And like what you mentioned, today, when you're building a system, you don't have to build a massive data center. You may have an old legacy one. You may not have. But it's important to stretch the data center to, all the hyperscalers, whether it's Amazon or Microsoft or Google. We work with all of them. And it's take the best, take the pick. किसी से संतरा लिया, किसी से सेब लिया. खाने के एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ मैं आजकल. But whatever, you may buy a particular service from hyperscaler A or B and join them together, and it will work. With containerization in the cloud, today it's become very, very simple. It doesn't matter where you are, it doesn't matter. The other big thing which I want to talk about is with digital transformation, security is a big risk. Everybody is getting hacked, ransomware. Every day I get calls. A Google and a Microsoft can do a much better job of security than any of us. आप private data center में कुछ भी कर लोगे, वो नहीं होगा. So if all of us, it starts with us. So I spend a big part of my time transforming our age-old businesses, जो हम सालों से करते आए, अपने business को digitally transform. दूसरे को क्या करेंगे अगर हम नहीं करेंगे? So I think that it starts off with us. So as a company, Team Computers, we've started doing that way back, and it continues. The journey is only accelerating. And with that, we are then able to tell our customers कि boss, आप लोग भी ऐसा करो. So there is no choice. We all have to transform. Otherwise, a unicorn or a sunicorn will eat away our business. And कोई ना कोई तो कर लेगा. Ajay is smiling, but that's what is going to happen.
I am laughing at Sunicorn.
Yeah. So eat or drink our business. Yeah, thank you.